Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at these LED motorcycle lights, which are actually fog lights or auxiliary lights for your motorcycle. So I bought this from Amazon. As you can see here on the box, it is energy saving up to 70% compared to your headlight. The service life is 50% more than your halogen bulb, 30,000 hours, which is the operating hours. Next we have the light specification over here. So the light power output is around 40 watts, which is equal to 40 watts. Then the actual power consumption is 20 watts. The environment temperature or the operating temperature of this will be 40 degrees each. And then the light output, the lumen reading will be 2000 lumens. The input voltage can vary between 12 volts and 85 volts. So let's just go ahead and open this box and see what we get inside. Firstly, these are the parts, so I'll show you individually what this is. This is the clamp which goes onto the light. Next we have a 5mm Allen key over here. And then we have one big bolt. I think this is a 14mm bolt. This is to secure the clamp to the crash guard or wherever you're attaching this light. And then these two bolts will go into the fog light itself, and then you can adjust the beam up and down accordingly. Now this is the unit, and there are two Allen keys over here because I bought two lights. I've got two Allen keys, and this is the fog light. So as you can see here, this is completely metal. This is a aluminum finish. The wire quality is very nice. The fog light lens over here is an orange lens, so it gives a kind of an amber light output. Then we have four small Allen key bolts over here which secure the front to the back of the unit. Coming to the back, you can see that there's a rubber grommet kind of thing over here which holds the wire in place and also protects this light, the interior of this light, from dust and water. I'm not really sure how water resistant this is or waterproof this is. I'll have to test this out on my bike and then I can put up a follow-up video. Let's just go ahead and power on this light and see what kind of output we get. So this is my power source. It's a 12 volt adapter. I'll just switch it on. Okay, I'm pointing it right at the camera, so you won't be able to see anything, but let me just show you what kind of beam it has. So that's the beam. As you can see, that is the beam. It's very powerful. The camera actually doesn't show how powerful this is, but it's pretty good compared to my white LEDs. I'll just put it on the ceiling. You can see that it actually cuts through the white tube light over there. You can see it's very powerful. Now that is one unit. The second unit, I have already installed the clamp just to show you how it the end result looks like. So these are the two LEDs. These are pretty big compared to my current one, which is just a round one with four individual LEDs and a clear lens. So here you can see that there are two Allen bolts which have secured this onto the clamp, and you can change the angle of it according to your need. This bolt will go into the crash guard. The reason I bought this LED is because the white LEDs are good. It looks good from front, it acts as a DRL and everything, but when you actually ride in the night and suppose you ride in the rain or there is water on the road, the white light is not very useful. When you actually see this yellow light and compare it to the white light, it is more visible to your eyes. So as per science, the human eye can see orange color and yellow color better than white light which is reflecting off any surface. So that way in the night it's actually better if you use a yellow LED instead of a white LED. These lights are, I mean, I bought it for 800 bucks for two is a very good deal. You have many dealers on Amazon. I bought this from Auto Hub. You can actually go ahead and get it from All Extreme, or there are many different traders who are situated in Delhi who sell on Amazon. I will provide the link for this in the description below. You can actually check that out and purchase it from there if you like. If you have any questions about this, please leave them down in the comment section below. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you in the next one, and do subscribe and like my channel if this has helped you, and see you.